The executive housekeeper distributes the hotel services among the housekeepers in a way that each one has a responsibility to take care of a certain quantity of rooms and some social areas, including hallways, elevator spaces, and staircases. In order to enter into the rooms at the beginning of the day, the housekeeper receives a master key for the floor that opens all of the doors on that floor. At the end of the day, she should return the key to the executive housekeeper. As long as the key is in her possession, the housekeeper holds complete responsibility for it. In an effort to save energy and reduce the wear and tear on the appliances, while guests are not in their rooms, many hotels have adopted a system that is activated by a key card that the guest holds onto, as well as the housekeepers. The system is quite simple and works like this. There is a device where the key card should be inserted. Usually, this device is right by the room's door. Every time the key card is removed, or when the guest is not in the room, the lights, air conditioning, and other appliances, except the refrigerator, automatically shut off after a few seconds. Each time that the card is put back and left in the device, the power supply returns again. There are some special devices that can be installed on the outside of the room that serve as status signifiers, indicating if the guest is inside the room, if he or she would like not to be disturbed, or if they would like the housekeeper to clean the room. On the same external panel, there can also be a doorbell. When the guest selects the option Do Not Disturb on the card holder inside the room, the doorbell is disabled. The housekeeper should be especially careful with the master key. Do not leave it in the door. Never lend it to someone or lose it. For example, if a guest says that he or she lost their room key, or if they forgot it and ask for the master key, you should direct the guest to go to the front desk and ask for a new key. Never lend your key to anyone. At the beginning of every work shift, the housekeeper receives a document called the Room Assignment Sheet from the executive housekeeper or supervisor. She should fill it out during the shift, putting the status of each room using the symbols according to the given legend. She should fill in all the requested information. At the end of the shift, the document is signed by the housekeeper and returned along with the keys and materials that were given to her beforehand. One of the main tasks of the housekeeper is tidying up the cart and the closet at the beginning of her workday. The cart should be organized by placing the items separately. It is necessary to supply the cart with all the materials to be replenished in the rooms, such as sheets, pillowcases, face and bath towels, bathroom mats, and robes. The quantity of each item should be sufficient for the rooms that are cleaned by the housekeeper so that she doesn't need to lose time going back and forth. The amenities are usually placed in drawers or on top of the cart, such as soap, shampoo and conditioner, shower caps, toilet paper, pens, writing pads, the folder containing the room assignment sheet, and other items. When the housekeeper is responsible for the minibar replenishment, she should bring a box with all of the products to be replaced. It is necessary to put a trash bag in the trash can to pick up the trash in the rooms. The cart also holds a supply of cleaning devices like a vacuum, a broom, brushes, a mop, cleaning towels, trash bags, and other necessary items. The cleaning products generally placed in the cart: all-purpose cleaner for various surface areas, glass cleaner, disinfectants, and air freshener. In addition, there are also coarse sponges and soft sponges, each with a specific purpose: one for deep cleaning, one for the toilet bowl, one for the sink, one for the cups, and one that does not scratch surfaces, made of a more delicate material for glass and mirrors. Also, it is necessary to have a brush to clean the bathroom fixtures and drains, a toilet brush, a toothbrush to clean the cracks and grooves of appliances, and thick gloves. All of these cleaning materials should be kept in a basket, making a kit that is always ready to be used. That is how the cart is set up. Maintaining the cart in proper order demonstrates a housekeeper's good work and organization. The cart should be pushed to the side of the hallway so as not to get in the way of the guests, while avoiding hitting the walls and furniture. Never leave the cart in a place that blocks the emergency exits. When arriving in front of the door, the housekeeper should park the cart in a way that blocks the entrance to the room that is being cleaned. It should remain with the opening facing the door, facilitating the removal of objects. Considering the safety of the workers and also of guests' personal belongings, some hotels have adopted the rule that the room should remain closed while the cleaning is completed. But this policy is not a consensus. A majority of the hotels opt for the rule that the room door should remain open, blocked only by the housekeeper's cart, as we have described. However, you should respect the safety policy of the hotel where you work.